tells a story which goes like this. One day there was a group of rogues, and they were sort of wandering around and just good for nothings, always looking for an easy way out, and they were very poor. So they didn't know how to get any help, so they had a discussion. They said, look, wherever gurus go, wherever masters go with their disciples, all the people want to get their teachings. They all pay them money, give them big meals and stuff. Let's pretend that we're a group of holy people, and we'll pitch up in a town, and we'll announce that we are holy people, and we'll get people's support. So they decided that they'd call themselves the Trickster Chassidim. So they did this, and they went into a town and they announced that the Trickster Rebbe had arrived, and the people all flocked around and said, come over to my place, I want you to come for supper. And they went over to a meal to a very rich man, and they had a fantastic supper. And then after supper, the rich man said to the leader of the rogues, real reason that I got you here is my daughter is very sick, and I want you to, I know Rebbes have got a lot of power, so I want you to make a blessing to make her well. The guy was shocked. He said, okay, you're going to have to leave me alone. He went into the sick daughter's bedroom. And about half an hour later, he came out and he said, your daughter's well. The rogue group were shocked. They said, what's going on? Is this guy really a holy man? We were all just rogues together. How is this possible? So when they left the place, they said, tell us what this is. Are you been fooling us and you're really holy? How did this happen? He says, I'll tell you what happened. I went into that room and I said to God, listen, God, you know that I'm a trickster and I'm no good. I know that I'm a trickster and I'm no good. But that guy outside there, he doesn't know that I'm a trickster and no good. He thinks that I'm a Rebbe and I've got sort of personal power. He needs to speak to you. You're the source of the blessing, but he doesn't know how to speak to you, so he's asked me to speak to you on his behalf. Just because I'm a no good, don't punish him on my account. And at that, the illness of the daughter was removed and she became well. This is all about praying with the heart.